Hey guys, so I'm not posting much now because I go to bed late but some videos are old videos from TikTok and stuff. And if you want to, I will put it in the comments. And yeah, so my dance can I just get it some videos please? But I'm gonna do another one for the next video right now because like why not? And I'm Friday, allowed, went to bed, fine, pretended. And like yeah, so I'm gonna be posting now. And yeah, so that's it. Well, just today. So if you have any ideas, put it in the comments, and then on another Friday or another day. And as well, I can do it tomorrow because it's Saturday, and the other day because it's Sunday. And I got a fidget calendar and stuff. And Merry Christmas, everyone.